was all in the year 1929 in the city of Prague in Czech Republic when almost around 100 employees started up a motorcycle and a moped company. A company making machines of joy. A company which was made to fulfill the wanderlust in you. It was all in the year 2018 when Jawa was brought back to India and the massive Indian cult following it received a sense of joy. And it was all introduced back to us with this, the Jawa Classic.
The Jawa Classic brings you back all the memories of the good old days with all its retro styling. The chrome finished tank, the retro style mirrors, and the small touch of history near the engine, mentioning Jawa 1929. Chrome finish and a classic looking headlight completes the look of this motorcycle in every aspect.
You would love how this motorcycle fits to be in that nostalgic frame, yet being a modern retro classic. Other better half of Jawa, which has been sharing the podium, the Jawa 42. You won't get the chrome finished tank in this one, but yet a young, a rugged look, an elegant look all over the bike.
The liquid-cooled engine of 293cc clubbed into a 6-speed gearbox which produces 27 bhp of power and 27 Nm of torque, which makes the ride torquey as well as good at high revs. The best part of this motorcycle remains as the seat height, which is just 765 mm, which is very comfortable for all the short riders out there. A curb weight of just 170 kilograms and a 14-liter fuel tank would be good enough to fulfill the Wonderbug in you. The looks of this motorcycle seems to be flawless. The engine works like a charm. But as they say, nothing is perfect enough. But I guess imperfections make this bike perfect, as it is a retro themed and true to its roots. The ride height is absurdly low, which in turn causes majority of us to rejoice, keeping in mind that the average height of Indian men is just 5'6". The seats give a lot of lumbar support, but could have been a bit more plush. The suspension is set up a bit stiff than you would expect on a leisurely ridden cruiser, but it would put smiles on faces of people who love cornering, as a stiffer suspension gives sharp handling. The brakes feel adequate, but a little more bite would always be welcome for the enthusiast. Jawa should think about adding mechanism to adjust the preload on future models, as it helps to set up the bike for riders across all weight categories. The real-world features such as switchable ABS, service reminders, a small clock, and real-time mileage indicators are absent, but it's understandable that as this is a retro-themed classic. The brand name Jawa It's a sweet, nostalgic note in all old school riders, and its cult following is growing each and every day. We wish them all the very best and sincerely believe that they have just started and have a long way to go ahead.